A Pakistani scholar has hailed China's efforts in promoting common development, saying that China has taken concrete actions to provide assistance in food, energy and technology to other developing countries.
Food and energy is the present world's main challenge. In fact, China is helping Pakistan in this context, not only in the food but also in providing alternative sources of energy. What is being pursued by China at the world level is the policy for peaceful relationship and development. China not only support in the development of the states, China had also transferred technology. And in fact, transferring technology, training to move along with the new scientific developments is one of the basic support which China had provided not only to Pakistan but I think to many African states, to South Asian states. So this required to be appreciated, that how China is pursuing its policy of development.